Welcome to the front of my OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first I'll show you that now I can unlock the device with my face recognition, because I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here. And now I'll just try to unlock the device for a couple of tries, and we will see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, I just only block the device, and I just less than in couple of seconds unlock the device here. So that's really good result, and I can say that the face unlock feature works really fast here. And now I'll try to wear my glasses, because when I set up my face here, I just do this without the glasses, and now we'll see how does the face recognition feature work as with the glasses. So I just wear the glasses, you can see here, and also the face unlock feature works here fast. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that the face unlock feature is less secure than the PIN codes or passcodes, but you can try it. I suggest you to try it if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the fingerprints, or also like the passcodes or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.